Hello everyone and welcome back to English Flow channel. I'm Anna and I'm here with David. We are so happy to spend another episode with you today. We hope you are ready to learn English in a simple and fun way.
Hello everyone, great to see you again. Today we're talking about a topic that everyone can relate to, jobs and work. We will talk about how to describe your job, your daily routine, your workplace, past experience, future goals, and even how to ask other people about their work. By the end of this episode, you will feel more confident talking about your job in English.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning with us, please remember to subscribe to English Flow channel and give this video a thumbs up. It helps us a lot and it tells YouTube that you like this kind of content.
Yes, your support means so much. Okay, let's begin. First, let's imagine someone asks you, "What do you do?" The easiest answer is your job title. For example, you can say, "I'm a doctor," or "I'm a nurse," or "I am a teacher." Simple and clear.
Exactly. Or you can say, "I work as a designer," or "I work as a driver." This structure is also very useful. Now, David, remind me, what do you do?
I am an English teacher and I really love teaching students every day.
That's wonderful. As for me, I am a presenter for English Flow channel, and I also work as a content creator. I make videos, plan ideas, and sometimes record podcasts.
That sounds like a very creative job. Now, sometimes people also want to know who you work for. You can say, "I work for a tech company," or "I work for a hospital." Or if you do not work for a company, you can say, "I am self-employed."
Yes, being self-employed means you work for yourself and you are your own boss. You decide your schedule and your tasks, but you also have more responsibility.
Exactly. Now let's talk about job responsibilities. People might ask, "What do you do every day?" Or, "What are your main tasks?" For example, you can say, "I help customers," "I answer emails," or "I prepare reports."
Right. You can also say, "I am responsible for organizing events," or "My main task is to create social media posts." This helps others understand what your job really involves.
So Anna, what are your responsibilities?
I create content, plan episodes, record videos, and sometimes I work with other creators. My main goal is to help people learn English in a fun and easy way.
You do a great job. For me, a typical responsibility is preparing lessons and teaching students. I also check homework and give feedback. I want students to feel motivated and confident.
Speaking of daily work, now let's describe a typical day. You can start by saying what time you begin and finish. For example, I start work at 9 in the morning and finish at 5 in the afternoon. Very simple.
Then you can talk about activities during the day. Many jobs include meetings, emails, calls, or reports. You can say, "Every morning, I check my emails and attend a short meeting."
After that, you can talk about your main tasks. Then, I work on my projects until lunch, or I teach classes until midday. You can also mention breaks because breaks show that your day is balanced.
Yes, for example, I take a coffee break in the afternoon, or I have lunch with my colleagues. Small details make your description more realistic.
Let me give a longer example. Every morning, I plan my content and write ideas for new episodes. Then I record videos or podcast segments. After lunch, I edit videos and check social media comments. I usually finish around 4 in the afternoon.
My routine is similar but also different. Every morning I prepare lessons and teach students. After lunch, I teach more classes, and sometimes I meet other teachers to plan activities. I usually finish around 4 in the afternoon as well.
Now let's move to the work environment. This describes where and how you work. You can say, I work in an office, I work from home, I have a hybrid job, or I work outdoors.
Many people today work remotely from home, but others go to an office downtown or work outside, like park rangers, farmers, construction workers, or tour guides.
The work atmosphere is also important. Is it formal or informal? In a formal workplace, you might wear a suit. In an informal workplace, you might wear jeans and sneakers.
Yes. My workplace is informal. I can dress comfortably. What about yours, Anna?
Mine is informal too, especially because I often work from home when I record videos. I love that flexibility.
Speaking of flexibility, you can say, I have flexible hours, meaning you can choose when to start and finish within limits. You can also say, I work full-time, I work part-time, or I work on weekends.
Good vocabulary. And don't forget words like coworker, boss, client, deadline, and team. These help describe your environment and relationships at work.
Now let's talk about job satisfaction. Do you like your job? Do you enjoy what you do? You can say, I love my job because it is creative. Or, I like my job because the people are friendly.
I love my job because I meet many interesting people and I can help others learn something new. It feels meaningful.
That's great. For me, I enjoy teaching because it feels rewarding when students learn and improve. But sometimes I enjoy grading papers less because it takes a long time.
Yes, every job has good parts and difficult parts. For example, someone might say, my job can be stressful sometimes, but I enjoy working with my team.
And if someone is not happy, they might say, I want a new opportunity, or I want better work-life balance, or I want a job closer to home.
Now let's talk about past experience. You can say, I used to work in a restaurant, or I used to be a student and worked part-time in a shop. This helps you show your journey.
And you can talk about what you learned. In my last job, I learned how to manage a team, or I learned customer service skills. These are useful sentences when talking about your career.
Now let's talk about the future. What are your goals? Where do you want to be? What skills do you want to learn?
In the future, I would like to travel and teach English in different countries. I want to meet students from all over the world.
That sounds amazing. In the future, I would like to create a full-time channel and inspire millions of people to learn languages. I also want to learn more about video production.
Those are great goals. Now let's talk about how to ask others about their jobs. You can ask, what do you do? That is the most common question.
After that, you can ask, do you like your job? Or, how long have you worked there? Or, what is a typical day like for you? These questions show interest and keep the conversation going.
Yes, you can also ask, what is the most interesting part of your job? Or, do you work full-time or part-time?
These questions are great for meeting new people, especially when traveling or practicing speaking.
Before we finish, remember to practice describing your own job using these phrases. Speaking out loud helps a lot.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, do not forget to subscribe to English Flow channel and share this video with a friend who is learning English too. It really helps us continue creating lessons for you.
Yes, thank you so much for learning with us today. We hope you feel more confident talking about work in English.
We loved spending this time with you. Have a wonderful day and keep practicing.
See you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.